custom wardrobe can literally be put anywhere. So this particular one, we're in a single family home in a suburb in Columbus, Ohio. Another big place that wardrobes are used tend to be in loft housing. So where maybe you've got big open rooms, you don't have enough storage, and you don't have a basement like you might have in a suburban home, where you want to literally built inside of the space without having to reframe. So really inside of an open room, inside of a bedroom, I'd say are the most common loft spaces within a home, are probably the most common places as far as where you can build a wardrobe. And if you want to learn more, go to innovatehomeorg.com. Our number is 614-545-6888.